Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a surge protector. I know you guys always ask me to find surge protectors that are affordable surge protectors. This one's from ATGFOX, RVDefender.com. They sent this to me. I'm going to show you this thing. I actually like this one because the price is very affordable. It's $79 right now. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is what it comes with. First thing we're going to see, let's pull out our manual. It's a 30 amp surge protector. If you're going to hook up at an RV park, even out here at home, I'll show you where I plug my RV in and you'll see. So this is the surge protector. All right, let's get that off. Pull this off. It actually comes with a protection lock, so you can actually lock this to your pedestal so no one can steal your surge protector. So pull this off. As you can see, I showed you 30 amp RV plug. That's it right here. Real nice unit. Got a full LCD screen on the front. On the back side, you just take this little screw off, pull this off. There's two AAA batteries in here. That's how you get it to work. There's a little power switch right here. Push that, and you can see all the things come up. And right now it's not plugged into anything, so it's going to show no power. Time's out in 30 seconds. So if you do leave it on, you don't have to worry about it. It has a power save mode. It will shut off in 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to do that again. And you can see all the other features it shows, okay? There you go. So basically it just shows you what you have. You can have a, so if everything is good, it will show correct wiring, AC surge protection. No power, it's not plugged in. There's no power coming to your plug. Reverse polarity, open neutral, leg and ground reversed, leg and ground reversed with open ground, open ground. All right. Comes with this little screwdriver. That's to get your battery cover off. And even though this is okay to stay in the rain, it comes with a little cover. I'm going to show you what this is for. All right, so it comes with this little cover. And when you're at the RV park, you could slide this over. You just slide this over. Little pull strap. You just pull it real tight. Okay, see now, no one will see your surge protector, and it will provide a little extra protection from the rain, but it really masks the surge protector, so no one can see it at night or during the day. Okay guys, so these are some of my other surge protectors. As you can see, I mean, this thing can go all the way up to like $250, $350. All right, they cost a lot. So if you're looking for something that you can at least have some surge protection and polarity protection, if you go into these RV parks, you don't know what the connection's like. $79 right now on Amazon. I suggest you go out there, give this thing a shot, look at it. I should have the link. I will have the link in the description. So if you want to get one of these and see how much it costs right now, just go to the description box, click on the description. You will see the link to Amazon, to ATGFOX. All right, let me show you how I plug it into my pedestal here at the house. All right, so I know you guys are saying, what if you don't have a 30 amp? What if your pedestal does not have a 30 amp, or your plug, wherever you're trying to plug this into, this surge protector, generator? It says in the manual, don't hook it up to inverter. I don't know if they're saying inverter or inverter generators. I've always used one on my inverter generators. It always worked fine. When the generator shuts off, it instantly cuts my power. So if your generator or your plug does not have a 30 amp outlet, let me show you real quick. So if you have a 20 amp, 15 amp plug, so this is what you're trying to plug into, you can adapt it to 30 amp. So this will work with that. So you need one of these adapters. If you have the twist lock type, this converts it to 30 amp, so you can use that surge protector. Even if you have a 50 amp plug, it will convert it to 30 amp, so you can use that ATGFOX surge protector. So you have these three type of different plugs. You can use this with it. And I'll show you on some generators with different plugs so you can get an idea what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so when it comes to generators, we do use surge protectors with the generators because these are putting out power and you don't know what's going to happen. Something can surge in your inverter. You want to protect yourself, you can use one of these. I've always used one with my generators. So this generator right here, they're all 2200, so we're going to look. So you have your 20 amp plug right here. You want to use so you have this generator with a 20 amp plug and you want to use your surge protector with the 30 amp plug. You come right here, you get your plug this in, the adapter. There you go. You have your surge protector on your 15 amp plug. One thing you're gonna have to do is use a bonding plug for the generator. So you plug this in right here. Plug your bonding plug on one plug, adapter on the other one, surge protector to your 30 amp load. All right, so that's the 15 amp plug, right? Just be mindful of your power. Just because you're adapted to 30 amp does not mean you have 30 amp. You're still putting out 15 to 20 amps. You come over here, you have the twist lock style. So if you have the twist lock style, you're gonna need this adapter. It's gonna adapt it to 30 amp. Let's plug it in. Get that plugged in. Now, you need 30 amp to go to your adapter. Plug this in right here to your surge protector. Then your bonding plug. Just come here. You bond it. Now you can use it with your surge protector. This one does not need any adapter. You just plug right into it because it has a 30 amp plug. Then you get your bonding plug and plug it in right here. For those of y'all who are going to ask me, what does a bonding plug do? If you don't have a bonding plug, it's going to show open ground. Okay? Because these generators, most of the small ones, are neutral floating. So you have to use a bonding plug to connect the ground and the neutral. So you could use your surge protector. Like I said, this one does not need an adapter. Now it comes to a 50 amp plug. Get your adapter. This goes to 50 amp to 30 amp. Pretty much you're just going to be using one leg. So we'll plug this in. And then we'll plug the surge protector to that. You come over here, turn your surge protector on. There you go. Correct wiring, AC surge protection. 50 amp plug to 30 amp. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Guys, thanks for watching this video on the ATGFOX surge protection. Alright, this is a 30 amp surge protector. ATGFOX LCD display. 30 amp. It's going to protect you from reverse polarity and surge. So if you're looking for something very affordable, I'm going to put the link down in the description. Go ahead and click that. It should take you to Amazon. You should be able to get you one of these. Guys, thanks for watching the channel. Have a great day. Bye. Hey guys, and by the way, if you buy one of these, hang on to this. This prevents you from bending your plugs when you store your surge protector. So once you're done, just kind of come back and just throw this on here like this. It protects it from bending. And this right here, just slide it back on. Just slide this back on, throw it back in the box. It prevents you from scratching your LCD screen also. I really like that. Simple. Keep this in here, keep your plug protected, and store it in the box. Next time you need it, it's ready. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.